Hi guys, back with another video for you today. I'm just doing a quick video on ScentClub. Have you bought your ScentClub kit number 2 yet? There's only a few more left, and I was just going to answer some questions you had and let you know what to look forward to with ScentClub with kit number 3 and so on. So if you're curious to learn about ScentClub and you still don't know about it and you want to find out, stick around. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Sebastian, and yes, today we're talking about ScentClub. I just wanted to update you, as I said, with some questions you had, and just to let you know, a lot of you are asking for international shipping, and since we only have a few kits left, we decided to turn on some international shipping. We have turned on Canada, and we're doing a flat rate of $20 shipping, and we've also turned on Australia, along with the UK, and then several countries in EU. Austria, Belgium, Czech Republic, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Netherlands, Portugal, Spain, Switzerland. So every country except for Canada, we are actually doing priority shipping. Sadly, that's the only thing we could do, and we're just doing a test here because this has all been a learning curve for me and the folks that I'm working with for these kits. And so since, like I said, we only have a few ScentClub kits left, we're going to test to see how this works out with not only adding Canada. Many of you from Canada were asking for me to ship to Canada, and of course some countries that wanted the kits as well. So if you haven't ordered, as I said, please go order your kit now. I have the link in the info box. You can do that. But just to update you also, a lot of you are asking me if we're going to release any further kit number 1. So sadly, we are no longer going to be able to release any kit number 1. Same thing with kit 2. Once it sells out, we will not be releasing any further kits. And the way the ScentClub is going to work is drop 1, drop it, sold out, move on to drop 2, ScentClub drop 2, sells out, and we won't be dropping any further kits anymore. The way this is happening is we have a certain amount of packaging and labeling and bottles and things like that, and we have enough for 3 kits with our packaging and stuff that we have. So if we do any further kit 1, which we can't even do because we don't have the juice, it will take away from being able to do kit 3, if that makes sense. So we have a certain amount of kits, packaging and stuff here, and we got to make sure we get 3 out. Sadly, we did kit 1 and kit 2 so close together because I'm taking a trip to Europe, and we wanted to make sure everything was delivered before I left in the middle of September. So that's why we did kit 2 drop very close to kit 1. And again, also this is all a test to me. Once we do 2023 with kit 4, we're going to make sure that there's 2 months between each drop, because that's exactly kind of what I wanted to do. Every 2 months there will be a new drop, and so on. But kit 3 will be launching early November or sometime in November, definitely before the holidays, especially the Thanksgiving holidays. So stick around for 3, and there's going to be especially that like 2.5 month time frame between kit 2 and kit 3. So some of you are asking me why we charge shipping on kit number 2 versus kit number 1. So when I first started this project, it all sounded so simple. But as I got really heavily into it, it became very clear to us, me and the folks that are helping me with this, that we had to make adjustments along the way. We intended to pay shipping and offer a low introductory price as a test for the first kit, and thankfully we got some great comments, so we found out things to make the whole process better. We also quickly found out that we didn't charge enough, but I kept my promise. We kept our promise to deliver all the first kits anyway without the shipping charge. If you guys remember, there was a mistake. Some of you were getting charged a priority shipping, so we refunded all of the shipping on kit number 1, but we definitely had to add that shipping fee on kit number 2 because, as I said, we realized we weren't charging enough for the kits. But if you still don't know what ScentClub is a way for you, my audience, to sample fragrances that might be very difficult to sample. I'm working with smaller niche houses, and we are making, an arrangement for them to provide fragrance for me to be able to package and ship to you know, you guys who end up, you know, going to my website and buy them. So the first kit featured Atelier des Ors Rouge Sarre, Sarah Baker Ludo, and Angelo's Creations Olfactives Eau de Vertu. Everybody was happy with that kit. And it seems like kit number 2 is also a hit. And we feature 3 fragrances, and those are Maison Violet's En Air d'Apogée. We also have Nilafar Dunil's Niloufer. This is it right here. And then the third fragrance is Lumari's Almeria. So we have 2 tobaccos. The En Air d'Apogée Almeria are tobacco, and with the second fragrance being an Amber Fougère. And I felt like those are really great fragrances for autumn, which is around the corner, as I said. But kit number 3 is going to launch early November. Initially thought it was late October, but definitely will be early November. Just in time for the holidays. It'll make great Christmas gifts as well. And then kit number 4, things are going to completely change. So as I said, we're testing the international shipping. We're doing all kinds of testing here with packing and things like that. And of course, redesign is going to happen. The whole thing has been a test. And when we designed this kit, we were kind of going for a Le Labo-esque design work. We just didn't feel happy for it. But since we placed an order and received the packaging and everything, we can't change it and throw it away. So we decided to go with it. But with kit number 4, it is going to be redesigned. Just discussed it with the team that's going to be doing it for us, and we placed an order for all the work. So that's going to happen for kit number 4. I'm targeting late January, early February for kit number 4. So stick around for that, but we have kit number 3 first. And I've got some great fragrances for kit number 3. Haven't worked out on kit number 4 fragrances yet, but I have my mind on a few fragrances. But everything is custom made, and the team that's designing this stuff for us, they're going to be filling after kit number 3. So kit number 3 is going to be done here in San Francisco, and then after kit number 3 it's going to go down to San Diego, and that's where they're going to put the kits together. But you know what, I really want to thank you for buying the kits, because everybody seems to love it. It's a great way to discover fragrances and to, you know, fragrances that you don't have access to a lot, because the brands I'm featuring, they're not like, yeah, I don't see them selling at places like readily or widely. So that's the kind of brands I'm going to focus on. Not going to do the big brands, not going to be doing the brands that have distribution here in the States, because if they do, they're most likely going to be at the end, you know, the stores, perfume shops and things like that. So I want to focus on brands that you don't have easy access to. Sure, some of them might be at Lucky Scent, but Lucky Scent is not on every corner. It's not every different perfume shop that's in, you know, the big cities across the country. And of course, we're going to test with the priority shipping to some of the European and international countries, and of course we have Canada on as well now. So if you guys have not bought kit number 2 yet, please go buy it. As I said, once this sells out, we will not be adding any further kit number 2s. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for all your support and your interest in sampling fragrances with my Scent Club kit. If you have any questions or comments, please do list below. Other than that, stay tuned for more videos on the channel, and stay tuned for Scent Club Kit 3, which will land in about 2.5 months. Is that correct? Am I doing the math correct? Early November? Early September, yeah, to about 2.5 months. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, I appreciate you tuning in today. Happy Sunday. Please like this video. Please share it. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll be back with more videos very soon. Have a good one. Goodbye.